Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. We are currently on our way to St. Maarten. It's 5 a.m. this morning. I'm sitting in Uber because I'm waiting on Vanessa to come so we can head out to the airport. But I'm gonna start this intro to the vlog first. My hair is done, y'all. I feel like a baby. I just gonna get my lashes done when I get there. Let's go have us a good time. Alright, y'all, I ain't trying to kill my battery, so I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the airport when we're with everybody because we're all on the same flight, so yeah. See y'all later.
Why is my bag so damn far out of nowhere?
I have no idea. Say good morning to them. Don't be mean. Good morning. Are you ready for St. Maarten? Bye, babies. I'll see y'all later.
Tap in the plane for your friends. That's what you do. So they call me Mr. Barry.
I'm Mr. Barry.
What did you do? You chatted this last one?
I chatted this last one.
He's that mean.
I'm that nigga.
He is.
I'm that nigga?
Yeah.
That sugar? They call me Mr. Barry.
Yeah. It's so beautiful, but it looks like it's gonna rain though.
No, don't say that.
Don't say. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
okay.
No.
Okay.
It's going to be 75 and sunny.
Yeah.
Actually, 85 and sunny all weekend.
All weekend.
From now,
All
from
weekend
now
long.
to Monday.
Y'all,
Okay.
our driver is here, so we're about to go.
We're about to go.
We're about to go. Everybody hands go up in the city. No, this way. Yeah, we better get food. We haven't gone to the Airbnb yet, so we're gonna start to get some food. And we started drinking the local beer, but it's so good though. So yeah. And this is where we're about to get some food. Okay, y'all, so we're at the Airbnb. We're about to eat. This is some fried pork, and then we have some shrimp pasta. Everybody in the cut right now, everybody's just eating, y'all. So yeah, and we have y'all say happy birthday to and y'all better say period. If you want, send me some money. Congratulations. Surprise, the doctor. Y'all better say congratulations and happy birthday.
You better say congratulations, happy birthday.
Y'all better. Okay, go. Yeah.
No chaser. I said what? No chaser. No chaser, I'm going wrong. No chaser. It's for your own. It's for your own. No chaser. Energy with no chaser.
Shot number 2, y'all. Shot number 2.
She can ride with me, no
Ready,
ride with me.
Wasn't ready. Ready.
Camera.
Okay.
Cheers.
She can air it out, guys. I want to stay with you. Good DJ.
She got play for her.
What's your number?
I play for her. No.
Okay, let's go in. Go in. At least, let me background music to myself.
Can you find?
Go in.
That's serious. Please.
Secret, please, lower it down.
I don't care. But I am doing the one on over.
Okay, alright.
Your own sport to next.
No, sorry.
Nobody's sleeping tonight, Jimmy.
Alright.
I just wanted to say a few words for the birthday. Alright, I just wanted to say a few words for my girl Debbie, Deborah, Zavora. You know, we love you so much. We all love you. That's why we're here for you. Want to tell you happy birthday. We're here to turn up and say Maarten. I love you.
Lock it. Mr. Bye. 2026 is going to be our year.
Oh yeah.
2027 is going to be our year.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes.
Come on. Here we go.
Mr. Bye.
Mr. Barry. Mr. Barry.
Mr. Bye.
Cheers, baby. Cheers, babe.
You know how to do once a year, right?
No chaser, girl. It's the champagne. I don't know, but I know chaser thing.
You're going to be cooking. Yes. Alright, everybody take this out now.
That's just sweet. Say what? What else? Come over here with us.
Hey.
Hey, skitty papa. What?
Cheers, guys. Oh my God, I haven't seen y'all in a long time. This is the bad time to see you.
Deborah, let's take our shot.
You said what?
Come on. Body, shot o'clock.
Who can take their shot without making a face?
Okay, let's go. Wait. Everybody go one by one in front.
We're gonna take our shot without making a face, guys.
Okay. You go first. You go first.
Oh, individually?
Yeah.
Sorry. It's light work here. Come on.
I'm trying to light work. Light work. Okay, go for it. Go first. You the right there, baby. So you go next. Come on. So you go next. Come on.
The little extra will to get it out.
That's extra?
They got you, Deborah. I can't lie.
Oh, really? I thought it was like...
Oh, yeah, go. I feel like I'm going to lose, but we'll see.
That was a face, bitch.
That was a face.
No good.
But when you had to describe the face, I thought it was like...
I can't do it.
Oh, she got that. She ain't make no
Okay,
face.
no, my turn.
One more.
One more.
Who made a face? Me. Since you made a face, I'll take a
No, she ain't make
My turn. She the birthday girl. She is the birthday girl.
What time you want me to start? Because we haven't had a
We had a fucking party.
We having a
party, we had a vibe.
The vibe.
The vibe.
One of the only.
We came with the vibe and we left with the vibe.
We leave with the vibe.
We shot shit down. We shot shit down.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be recording on my phone tonight, but we have so many people behind us. From the first club we was at, it was literally so lit. We came with the vibe and we left with the vibe, literally. But we about to go to Red Diamond. Right, that's it right there, y'all. So let's go. What you saying? Collect some dollars. I know that's right. Let's go. Cause that's what we're finna go do. And collect some dollars. Dollars, baby. That's all we want. But yeah, we about to go have a good time. And as you can see, Big Mama lit right now.
Bro, that's already done, bro. Honestly, I would let the blunt go.
Mr. Perry.
Personally, bro, I would
Okay, good morning, you guys. Today is our official first full day being in St. Maarten.
Yesterday evening when we got here, we just went out to the pool. I recorded that part, and then we ended up going out to like a local club where we had a time and we had a ball, y'all. It was so fun. Look at my voice. Like, my voice is gone. Literally, this is crazy, but it was a time. I didn't take my camera with me because I did not want to break it. It was too much going on. It's too many of us. It's too much going on. So today we're gonna be driving around town just to like hang with like the locals, see what's going on. We have activities planned. We're gonna go to brunch first / breakfast. It's 9 a.m. this morning. We're supposed to be leaving around like 11ish, 12ish. After that, later on this afternoon, we have rum tasting, ATV, and all the good stuff. So come on, let's go. I'm gonna unpack my suitcase.
Beach Club Peloton. I hope I'm pronouncing it right.
We're going to a beach club.
Yeah, it's a beach club. It's giving beach club.
It is. Look at the girls.
Pack that itinerary.
Period. I want to see when the.
Everyone ready?
Yes, we are.
You're not ready.
We promise we are.
Hold that camera.
I'm holding it with my light. With my light. Double ain't that right? We're holding this camera together. Big shit in there. Shit in there. Jumbo scrap. Big one. Big Sinead, not the little one, okay? Happy birthday. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I like the weather in Seymour. It's not too hot, but it's not too cold. It's just perfect. Yeah.
You guys gonna laugh a lot?
Yeah, we're about to get on the ATV.
White retired people.
Okay.
Alright? That's one of my stops. One of the other stops is to feed the iguanas.
Ooh.
Alright? Then the first stop is gonna be what you call it? A nice movie cinematic picture view spot. If you guys wanna cross the water, I could open the back of part to see for you guys. It's called the Moses Path. Okay. Alright, you could go to the little island. After we're gonna, take some pictures there. But
okay.
You have to have some better shoes. I don't think how you guys gonna.
Who, us?
Yeah, mess up your shoes and slip.
No, it's okay. It can get messed up.
Alright, no problem. We're gonna cross over then. I just don't.
Oh, y'all look good. Body yaddy yaddy yaddy. Yaddy yaddy.
come and see Anthony if you're in St. Maarten for ATVs. Period. Say clock it. Oh.
But y'all, that ATV ride was so good. It's 3.5 hours. And he's waiting for us outside right now, so once we're done, we're gonna get back on it. And then he also said that we are gonna make a couple of stops, probably like 3 stops. One of them is gonna be the naked beach. I ain't never been to a naked beach before, but I guess it's new in St. Maarten. So if you guys are in St. Maarten and y'all wanna go to the naked beach, y'all should definitely ask about it. I'll put the name down just so y'all know, but we'll see.
So
Oh yeah, secret.
we had the rum punching and the punch and the punch. Cheers.
If you're not in St. Maarten, where you at?
Now you see my where you at? Jamaica. We're in. We did. Mexico Bay Lounge. I say where?
Okay, so y'all.
So me and my sister in this bitch. Cha, getting the there. I want to go.
We're drinking rum punch. We feel we got Zephyr here, the birthday girl.
Alright. Where you at?
Since you guys have the white chocolate raspberry rum, now you're gonna try a white chocolate raspberry gelato.
They put that all kind of thing to try out. They get the party started. Cheers. Now the only drip will go and do activity.
It's done by a small batch. So these are our 5-gallon buckets that we actually infuse our rums into. Let's see, this one is actually
21%.
tamarind honey. Yeah, this is 21% alcohol.
Let me try.
So no, you have to
Good morning. A day later, the voice is absolutely gone. Like, I can't say nothing. I can't talk right now. I can't say nothing. I can't talk right now. But y'all, we have been having a good ass time in St. Maarten. I'm not even gonna lie. On today's agenda, we're going to like the famous jungle party that happened the last Saturday of the month. Today, that's what we got going on. It's about 9:45 a.m. Everybody is basically getting ready right now. But I'm gonna get ready. After that, well, before that, we don't have time to stop and get breakfast, y'all. St. Maarten is lit. It has had us lit. And today is actually Deborah's birthday, my friend's birthday, and we went out last night. Had a good time, an amazing time. Like, I was surprised, and I'm not gonna take my camera to the club, y'all. I'm not gonna break her. I'm not. So y'all just gonna enjoy the videos and stuff that we took on our phones and other people will send me. So I'm not gonna do that to my camera. I don't want to break her. No, but just know, Mama is having a time. St. Maarten is very nice. The weather is not too hot. It's not too windy. It's just a perfect mixture together, and I really do like that. So for today, since it's like tropical, the setting of the area is like tropical woods in the jungle, whatever you want to call it. I'm thinking it's something. What color y'all think I should wear? Because I'm thinking something like green and yellow. I feel like green and yellow gonna look really good on my complexion. But we'll see. I'm gonna do my makeup, and for some reason my makeup is staying all day, all night. I was so mad I had to take it out last night because I was like, This shit look too good to be taken off. But that's pretty much it so far. Oh, so far that's it. ATV. This was like my first. I have never been on an ATV for 3.5 hours before. Like usually when I do ATV, it's like 45 minutes, an hour 30 minutes. But this was like a whole 3 hours and like 3 hours and a half. Then we took the ATV and we was all over around town. We had rum tasting that we had to go to, so we drove to the what is it called? We drove to the rum tasting. That took a little bit of time. I think it was over an hour plus or so. And by the time we got done, it was like rush hour. So all the places that the men had for us to go, like the secret beach I was telling you guys about, the nude beach that's just open out here in St. Maarten. We wasn't able to go there because it was far away and we wasn't gonna make it back in town and it was traffic. So we didn't go to the nude beach, y'all, but I wanted to go just to see what was going on. Just to see what's tea. What was tea. That was it. I wasn't going there to be on any type of thing. I wasn't gonna take my clothes off, you know, but it was cool though. No hard feeling. Other than that, great ATV, great experience. I will give that. So when you guys come to St. Maarten, make sure that y'all book the ATV. I'm gonna leave the guy information below. Make sure y'all book him. He's super nice. Very, very accommodating with you guys' schedule, whatever you guys have going on. They totally understand and they will actually work with you guys. So for sure, book with them. Great experience today. The jungle party. Later on, we're probably gonna go to the lounge or something, because I know the party is from 1 p.m. to about 6, 7, 8 p.m. Yeah, that's everybody saying nothing. Y'all, I have been having fun and been in the moment to the point I haven't been posting on Instagram. This is so unlike me on vacation. Like what? But that's okay though, because I'm actually having such a good time. And you can tell from my voice is gone. Oh, the place that we went at yesterday is called Nowhere Special. Honey, Nowhere Special. The DJ, the Afrobeat, the Caribbean sound, the Jamaican sound, the Hispanic sound, like music was tea. I mean, we went there on Friday. Friday night was great. We went to the strip club on Friday. Lame as hell. I don't want to hear it. We, like, y'all see a group of people coming. We had money to spend. Like, it was just not giving. And we literally was in there for like 10-15 minutes left out. It wasn't giving. But what was this? What was this for? And we went back to the spot that we was at, which was Nowhere Special, and we had such a good time. But something about yesterday just hit so different. They had a live performer, a drummer, a piano. Like, it was a whole setup. I'm telling y'all, it was a whole setup, but they ate with that. Like, it was a good time. We had a blast and came home. Like, we didn't want to leave type shit. I'm telling y'all. Our driver came and they came to get us. Other people went to the car. I was one of the people that ran back inside. And where'd we go? I was one of the person that did not want to go home last night. I didn't want to go home. Dude was like, let's go to driver's. I'm like, he can wait. He can wait. But went back in there with the other people and we had a ton. We had a ton. Did you have a time last night?
I'm not trying to serve your channel though. Like, you can plug my towel real quick.
See, what is take one over there.
It's day 3.
Oh my god. Yeah, it's day 3.
It's day 3 in the villa. We have our favorite uncle.
That's your favorite uncle.
Some people have been evicted from the villa, but we're still here, you know.
Wow. Some people have been evicted from the villa?
Yeah, Love Island.
Wow.
Love Island Part 3. You know,
y'all are too much.
Season 9. I still got Chris here. He everywhere but overseas. Actually overseas now though. Think about it.
Like,
right?
I'm gonna head out the villa. Period.
She been evicted too. She been evicted.
Y'all are done. Night.
Then when we call you fucker, you ain't gonna get that too.
Refugee. When you start to my foot, go up.
Alright. You know about that. That skin girl with a chocolate eyes. But if you want to talk, then they run to the color. For this sleeping in time. Even how you feeling, I'm in my speed. If you order anything, I would
You ain't get me on the bill. You better sweet like somebody. Better spend my company. Real woman, she loves coming from the street. Y'all can see the real beauty and the breed. It's outside. It's outside. I wanna be fine. It's outside. It's outside. It's outside. Make sure that you feel the whole play of fire. What you eating?
Got some rice, some veggies, some fruit.
Look at you being healthy soon.
Yeah, I'm about to drink my life away.
You better do what?
Drink my life away.
I know that's right. He better drink his life away. What you eating?
I got a burger.
Wait, you paid $19 and you get that for $1.
Hey, DJ, come on. Come on, buddy, dog. Come on, buddy, dog. Come on, buddy, come on, buddy, come on, buddy, dog.
Come on. Get in with us.
I'm shaking it booties like tango, man. I'm shaking the city like crazy. Haters blowing the face like Gonzo. Cause I'm making the cake, so let's make it. I'm taking the game's mine. Yeah, I witness the change, it's my time. Yeah, I'm a ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your bird. Cause I'm a pro, make you bring it back. Ladies, drop it low, drop it low.
Slow down, grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your roots fall off. Think I wanna smash, shut up now.
You know what? Give me that.
Gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. You already spit on me.
Everybody, now shoot to the sky. Do we have any Jamaican people in here today? Where the yardie dance?
Yo, how you guys doing? I haven't even really talked to y'all, but my voice is pretty raspy, and that's just how you know I've been having a really good time. But we're literally on the boat today. Period. I had to come down to talk to you guys, and I just wanted to let y'all know that we're gonna be doing a boat activity. Today is Sunday, and yeah, as you can tell from my voice, see Maarten, it's nothing to play with when it comes to enjoyment. So yes, I'm pretty much having a lot of fun. I just came down to the church real quick. It's an all-white book party today. But yeah, I said it's weird for me to talk like this, especially with my voice being gone. But what to do? This ain't the first time. This ain't gonna be the last time. So yeah, let's go. I don't want to keep everybody waiting.